Quantum Jungle is a very playful and fun and interactive experience with 720 metal springs where you can gently touch or really move your hands around these springs to get different effects. And it visualizes quantum physics as you touch it. The physics is modeling how a quantum particle moves. And no matter if you care about quantum physics or not, it's always showing different interactive particles, circles, and quantum simulations. The other piece I have is called Line Wobbler. Line Wobbler is a one-dimensional dungeon crawler where you use a little spring joystick to control your little green character on a one-dimensional track on an LED strip that is hung through the space. And there's like short versions and a really long 100-foot version. So it's a little joystick and you play with a little green dot, fighting different enemies and lava and trying to get to the end in a series of ever-increasing difficult levels.